Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to Construction Tutor. Today, we're diving into two of the absolute biggest and, most confused ideas in our industry: quality assurance and quality control. Getting the difference isn't just for a test, it's what separates a great project from a total headache. So, let's get right into it.
We're all about breaking down the complex stuff in construction, piece by piece, so you can really sharpen your skills and build with some serious confidence.
So let's kick things off with a huge question. What is it that really separates a smooth, successful build from one that's just a mess of delays, blown budgets, and endless rework? Is it just getting lucky? Having better tools?
No, not at all. The secret sauce is a powerful quality management system. Think of it like the project skeleton. It's this invisible framework that makes sure everything holds together, and it's built on the two pillars we're about to break down. Okay, first up, let's talk about quality assurance, or QA. I want you to think of QA as the project's oversight, kind of like the view from 30,000 feet. It's all about looking at the big picture to make sure the entire system for quality is actually working the way it should. Let's look at the official definition for a sec. QA's main job is to get a finished building that meets every single contract requirement. And the key phrase here, the one to really remember, is making certain. QA is all about giving everyone that confidence that the system itself is designed to produce quality. So who actually does this? Well, QA personnel are basically the referees of the project. They aren't on the field playing the game, right? But they are watching closely to make sure the rules, that's the contract, are being followed. They look at the contractor's methods, they review their paperwork, and if they spot a problem, they make sure the contractor fixes their process so it doesn't happen again.
Now, let's get to our second pillar. If QA is the referee, then Contractor Quality Control, or CQC, is the team's actual game plan. This is the hands-on, boots-on-the-ground part of the whole thing.
And here's the most important part. CQC is the contractor's own responsibility. It is their plan, their procedures for managing their own people and their subs to make sure the work they actually produce is up to snuff. It's all about the execution.
This means the QC folks are both the coach and the players on the field. They're the ones doing the quality work, running tests on concrete, documenting every single thing, and just keeping a sharp eye on the workmanship to make sure every job is done right.
Now things get a little more specific when we talk about design-build jobs. Because the contractor is also doing the design, their CQC plan needs another layer. It absolutely must include a design QC plan, and, this part is critical, all the design documents have to be checked by an independent reviewer. You can't grade your own homework, right? Same idea here.
So, let's put it all together. See how they fit? QA assures compliance from an oversight role, making certain the work will be good. CQC executes the plan from a management role, controlling the activities to make the work good. They're two totally different functions, but they have to work together like a well-oiled machine for the whole system to succeed. All right, we've covered a lot of ground. So to make sure this all really sinks in, let's do a quick little pop quiz based on exercise 6.1 from our source material. You ready?
First one up, what's the main job, the number one function of quality assurance?
That's it. It's to make sure that the final, finished project checks off every single box in that contract. Okay, next up, what's the specific role of the QA team on a project? What are they there for?
Exactly. They're there to make sure the contractor's own quality control system is actually working. They're the check on the checkers.
All right, let's flip it around. What's the main purpose of Contractor Quality Control?
You got it. CQC is all about the successful execution of the contractor's own plan to hit those quality standards. It's the action, the doing part.
And who's doing all this doing? What are the main jobs of the QC personnel?
That's right. They're responsible for pretty much the whole shebang, producing the quality work, running tests, and keeping a super detailed paper trail of everything that happens. Okay, last question. This one's a bit more specific. For those design-build contracts, what's that extra thing that has to be in the QC plan?
That's the one. It needs that special design quality control plan. And the heart of that plan is the independent review of all the documents. You just gotta have that second set of eyes. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into QA versus QC. Hey, if this explainer helped clear things up for you, do us a huge favor and smash that like button. And of course, subscribe to the Construction Tutor channel so you don't miss out on the next one.
But before you go, I'll leave you with one last thought. Now that you really know the difference between the oversight of QA and the hands-on work of CQC, what's the one quality check you're going to be looking for on the next job site you pass? Think about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.